Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Vandeham Sri Guru Sri Juta Padakamalam. Christian priests, they asked me why Christianity is dwindling, what we have done. So I told them, what you have not done.
Yes.
You have violated from the very beginning the orders of Christ. Thou shalt not kill, and you are killing only. So what you have not done?
They say that man has to dominate over the animal. So they justify this.
Therefore you should kill and eat them. Very good reason. The father should dominate over children, therefore the children should be killed and eaten. So rascals, and they are professing religious leaders.
But if every moment we're killing in breathing and walking and doing so many things, and then it says, thou shalt not kill, so then hasn't God given us a instruction which is impossible?
No. Consciously, we should not. But unconsciously, if you do, there is excuse. No, Gunavati, the Alladini Shakti, the pleasure potency. The pleasure potency is not painful to Krishna, but it is painful. It is painful to us, conditions of this golden moon. Everyone comes there for pleasure, but he is becoming implicated in sinful activities. Therefore it is not pleasure, it will give him pain. So many after effects. Sex life, even it is not illicit, still it is painful. After effects. You'll have to take care of the children. You have to bear children. That is painful. You have to pay to the hospital for delivery. Then education, then doctor's bill. So many painful. So, this pleasure, sex pleasure, is followed by so many painful. Tapokari. The same pleasure potency is there in the living being, a little quantity. And as soon as they utilize it, it becomes painful. The same pleasure potency in the spiritual world, Krishna is dancing with gopis, that is not painful, that is pleasing. This man, if he takes nice food stuff, it is painful. Huh? If it is this man, if he takes,
He becomes more sick.
more sick. Therefore, this life is meant for tapasya, not to accept, voluntarily reject. Then it is nice.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna.